The GoHighLevel affiliate program happens to be one of the best recurring and lucrative affiliate programs in the online marketing space today. Imagine referring someone to GoHighLevel who remains a customer for life. GoHighLevel will pay you a commission for life every time that person renews their subscription. The best part is, your commissions will also increase when that customer upgrades to a higher GoHighLevel plan. The truth is, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing automation tool and CRM that allows you to white label the software, sell it as your own, and keep 100% of the profit. GoHighLevel, aka GoHighLevel Affiliate Program Overview. GoHighLevel is a software that users have to subscribe to either monthly or yearly to use and access the platform. The good thing about the GoHighLevel affiliate program is that you get paid commissions every time your referred users renew their monthly or yearly subscriptions. On the other hand, you stop earning commissions once your referred GoHighLevel users cancel their subscriptions. Also, note that you won't earn any commission for getting someone to sign up for a GoHighLevel free trial account. You only earn a commission when they pay for a GoHighLevel subscription. What are GoHighLevel affiliate commissions? For every paid user you refer to the GoHighLevel platform with your unique affiliate link, the GoHighLevel affiliate program will pay you a 40% recurring commission for as long as the user maintains an active subscription. You earn your commissions monthly or yearly, depending on the GoHighLevel subscription or payment plan your referred user chooses. Also, your commissions will automatically update if your referred user decides to upgrade or downgrade their account. Additionally, GoHighLevel has a second-tier program that lets you earn an extra 5% recurring commission on any sale your GoHighLevel referrals make. How much can you earn with the GoHighLevel affiliate program? To recap, the GoHighLevel affiliate program pays a 40% recurring commission for every paid user who signs up for the GoHighLevel software through your unique affiliate link, first-tier affiliate commissions. The platform also pays a 5% recurring commission on every sale your GoHighLevel referrals earn with their own unique affiliate link, second-tier affiliate commissions. GoHighLevel Agency Starter Plan. The GoHighLevel Agency Starter Plan costs $97 per month or $970 per year. If a user signs up for this plan using your unique affiliate link, you earn a 40% recurring commission. This means you earn $38.80 per month or $388 per year until that user cancels their subscription. Additionally, you earn $4.85 per month or $48.50 per year on second-tier affiliate commissions on this plan. GoHighLevel Freelance/Unlimited Plan. The GoHighLevel Freelance/Unlimited plan costs $297 per month or $2,970 per year. If a user signs up for this plan using your unique affiliate link, you earn a 40% recurring commission. This means you earn $118.80 per month or $1,188 per year until that user cancels the subscription. Additionally, with this plan, you earn $14.85 per month or $148.50 per year on second-tier affiliate commissions. GoHighLevel Agency Pro Plan. The GoHighLevel Agency Pro plan costs $497 per month or $4,970 per year. If a user signs up for this plan using your unique affiliate link, you earn a 40% recurring commission. This means you earn $198.80 per month or $1,988 annually until that user cancels the subscription. Additionally, with this plan, you earn $24.85 per month or $248.50 per year on second-tier affiliate commissions. As of July 2022, GoHighLevel affiliates have earned over $15 million. And in the past 3 years, GoHighLevel affiliates have been paid over $12 million in affiliate commissions. To be honest, GoHighLevel is one of those hidden gold mines that not many affiliate marketers know about. I'll advise you to jump aboard this program now and start promoting it before it becomes oversaturated. How to become a GoHighLevel aka GoHighLevel affiliate. GoHighLevel uses First Promoter to house its affiliate program. Your affiliate account is automatically and instantly created once you sign up for the GoHighLevel software. However, you can still become a GoHighLevel affiliate even if you don't have an active GoHighLevel subscription. Here's how. Go to affiliate.gohighlevel.com. Fill out the form on the page as best as you can. Agree to the GoHighLevel affiliate terms and conditions. Then, click on Sign Up. That's how to create your GoHighLevel affiliate account. Once done, you will automatically get access to your own GoHighLevel affiliate dashboard, where you will find your unique affiliate links and other promotional materials. More on this soon. Critical high-level affiliate program terms and conditions. When you sign up for the GoHighLevel affiliate program, it's important to adhere to and comply with its affiliate terms and conditions. Here are some of the most critical ones. Always include your affiliate disclaimers and disclosures everywhere you promote or advertise GoHighLevel. Don't misrepresent yourself as a typical result or a typical customer when you promote GoHighLevel. Do not promote GoHighLevel as a business opportunity or business in a box. Be truthful and provide honest/accurate information. Don't bid on keywords that include branded terms that contain words like GoHighLevel or GoHighLevel. Do not send junk mail or send spam traffic. You can read the complete GoHighLevel affiliate terms of service here. How to log into your GoHighLevel affiliate account. Once you create your GoHighLevel software account, where you create your GoHighLevel affiliate account using the method I showed you earlier, here's how you need to log into your affiliate account. Go to affiliate.gohighlevel.com/login. Fill in your email and password. Then click on Sign In. Once done, it will take you directly into the GoHighLevel affiliate dashboard. How to find your GoHighLevel affiliate link in First Promoter. Once you log into your GoHighLevel account, scroll down to the bottom of the page and see your GoHighLevel affiliate link. GoHighLevel affiliate promotional tools. Upon the lucrative recurring commissions GoHighLevel pays, they even provided some promotional materials to help you successfully promote their platform as an affiliate. Some of the affiliate promotional assets GoHighLevel provides are creative displays for your banner ad, social media, blog posts, or funnels. Slides for webinar swipe file presentations. Images and logos for your marketing campaigns. To find these promotion assets, simply log into your GoHighLevel affiliate account and click Assets on the top navigation menu. GoHighLevel also gives you your referrals emails so you can know who is currently a customer or who has canceled their subscription. This allows following up and trying to convert your free trials into paying customers or even get someone that canceled their subscription to resubscribe. Best ways to promote GoHighLevel as an affiliate. Here, we'll take a look at how to promote GoHighLevel to small business owners, online entrepreneurs, and marketing agencies who need this platform to run or grow their businesses. I aim to help you succeed as a GoHighLevel affiliate so we can make some real money with the affiliate program. And yes, it's possible to earn a full-time income online with the GoHighLevel affiliate program. Now, let's dive into a few tips on how to promote GoHighLevel as an affiliate. Tip number 1, provide funnel building services. If you have what it takes to build funnels with GoHighLevel, you get business owners who need them and sell them or the entire campaign to them. You can then get them to sign up for GoHighLevel with your affiliate link, as they will need the software to house the funnel and campaign. The best part about this is that you won't just make money as an affiliate, but also from selling your funnel building services to small business owners and marketing agencies who need a marketing funnel. All you need to do is set up everything on your own GoHighLevel account as a snapshot, then share the snapshot with them. Tip number 2, promote via blogging. This is currently the way I am making a full-time income online with affiliate marketing. This blog post is a typical example of this method. But promoting affiliate products via blogging is not only about writing reviews. Though a GoHighLevel review post can make you sales, experience has taught me that informational and functional blog content is also as effective. The goal is to focus on providing content that helps your audience fully utilize the platform so they can stick with it for the long run. And because of GoHighLevel's recurring model, you also make more money the longer your referrals use GoHighLevel, which is a win-win for everyone. Make sure to create your own unique offer to incentivize more blog readers to sign up through your affiliate link. You can check out my GoHighLevel bonuses to understand what I mean. Tip number 3, promote via YouTube. I'd admit that I struggle with some limiting beliefs regarding videos for YouTube. That's why I decided to go the blogging route. But to be honest, YouTube can make you insane affiliate commissions if you provide helpful tutorials, demos, comparison videos, etc. I know quite a lot of top affiliates who have achieved massive success successful promoting affiliate products on YouTube. If you want to go the YouTube route, a powerful resource I recommend and find very detailed on affiliate marketing on YouTube is Spencer Meacham's Affiliate Secrets course. Tip number 4, promote via Facebook groups. I made my first ever affiliate commission online by utilizing Facebook organic marketing. The idea is to optimize your Facebook profile for conversions, profile funnel, then start posting valuable content and helping out in groups with potential GoHighLevel customers. This will create goodwill and cause people to visit your profile and get sucked into your profile funnel. You optimize your profile for conversions and create a profile funnel by putting up a good headshot, a nice banner, and a featured photo with a precise and clear call to action to your GoHighLevel affiliate link or lead gen funnel that promotes GoHighLevel on the back end. I hope you get the idea. You can even take it up a notch by creating a Facebook group focused on helping people succeed with GoHighLevel. This will build a reputation as one of the go-to people for GoHighLevel. Tip number 5, promote using a course. This is one of the most reliable and efficient ways of promoting softwares like GoHighLevel. The first idea is to create a course about GoHighLevel and offer that GoHighLevel course as a bonus to those that sign up under you. But better still, you can create a course that focuses on teaching a system or blueprint that requires people to use GoHighLevel. For example, you can create a course on how to grow your business with sales funnels. The course could teach people all about sales funnel, and GoHighLevel would be the required software where you show them how to actually build sales funnels from start to finish. My experience with the GoHighLevel affiliate program. So far, I am very delighted with the GoHighLevel affiliate program. The part one I'm most impressed about is GoHighLevel's generous commission structure and the amount of value GoHighLevel brings